Guys, so I got something in my stocking, and originally I thought it was a gag gift, but it turns out it's really not. This stuff's called Poo Pourri. It's a little foo-foo, sounds a little foo-foo, but I will tell you, the stuff works. It smells really good. There's lavender, vanilla. I mean, there's like a bunch of different scents, I guess. Like I said, I thought it was a joke gift, but you spray it in the toilet before you go to the bathroom. Number 2, everybody goes poop, right? Everybody. Whether you think you do or not, you really do. So, you spray it before, 2 or 3 sprays, you go to the bathroom, and then you wipe like you should, and then you flush. And you don't have that nasty Febreze shit smell. Like, you know, where you had the fecal matter in the air and then some Febreze mixed in with it, and then all you can think of all day when they spray Febreze in the house is, wow, that smells like shit. Doesn't have any of that. So let me show you how it's done.